I was wondering if you could help me out. I'm looking for the Smith Brasher building.
The famous idea. I did not go to the school, and I don't go to the school. So
Okay, I'm sorry. You're not sure? Oh God, I'm sorry about that.
No, I have no idea.
I'm so sorry about that.
You have me on camera.
I was wondering if we could ask you a question.
What's up, sir?
Well.
What the hell was that? Just for that, do you think we can bump 50 cents?
I'm looking for a Walmart. Or any like big convenience store.
You said you
Do you know where Windrock Mall is?
Which one?
Windrock?
Never heard of it.
Huh. It's supposed to be right around here. That's what the GPS thing said, but I can't find it.
I don't know. I'm not from here
Okay.
originally.
Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's the other side of campus. What you need to do is you
Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
what you need to do, I think, is pull a UE, go down that way, turn left.
Okay.
You get that way.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me. Do you know where Want to Bow is?
Yeah, it's actually next light up. So if you go this way, follow the park, take a left,
Okay.
and then just go straight.
All right. I got a question for you. I'm gonna buy this car for my buddy, and I want to get it like tuned up, but I have no idea what this red button does. Have you ever seen that before?
Well, seems like that's aftermarket,
I don't know.
but I don't know what it is.
You want to push it?
Huh?
You want to push it for me? I don't know what to do with
You're
it.
buying it. If I break it, I'm gonna buy it.
No, you don't have to. I mean, it's not, I haven't even bought it yet, but
You go ahead.
go for it.
Nah, go ahead.
No, maybe.
A little bit.
You got nerves of steel, man.
Huh?
You got nerves of steel. Do you guys know where Want to Bow is?
Yeah, it's actually it's 1 mile. 1 mile down that way.
Excuse me. Can you tell me where Eubank is? Is this Eubank?
Eubank?
Yeah.
No, down, no. Fuck! Are you trying to scare me?
I'm sorry.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ah.
This is Windrock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you do me one favor?
What's up?
I have no idea what this does. Will you push it?
Seriously?
Push it.
Why?
Push the button.
No.
You know you want to.
No, I don't.
Do it!
I'm good, guys.
You
I'm
have
good.
to.
Give it one
little push.
I
One
can't.
little worst
No.
that
He said I can't.
Peer pressure. I
Seriously?
Yeah.
Just push it.
Just a little push.
Well, the car's not gonna explode. We're all in
I
here.
understand that.
It's not going to shock you.
Well, yeah.
That's okay.
That would be cool though.
I can't.
You have to do it.
I can't.
You want me to push it?
No. Seriously?
I'm a little bit lost. I'm looking for the Chemo Theater.
Oh, the Chemo. Yeah, that's downtown.
Okay.
Which is that direction.
Go this way.
2.5 miles.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you get into downtown Albuquerque.
When you cross under the railroad tracks,
Yeah.
you're in downtown.
Is it
Okay.
7th Street, 8th Street?
About
start you-
7. It'll be on,
Gotcha.
it'll be on your right.
One more favor. Can you
Side.
push this red button for me?
What's that doing?
No.
Just push it.
No.
I dare you.
No.
I dare you.
No.
It's kind of cool, right?
Can I tell you guys a joke?
Yes.
Sure, let's hear it.
This is crazy. You see Budweiser trucks and Bud Light trucks around, right?
Yeah.
But you see a Pepsi one. What does Pepsi stand for?
No clue.
People eat potatoes, especially Indians.
Fucking A.
Hit the wrong button.